Hello everyone. As our topic is role of women in war, I would like to discuss the book The Girl Come Marching Home and its author is Kristen Holmstead. It is the story of women warrior returning from the war in Iraq. The author intended to show both the contribution that women have made to the war effort in Iraq and the effort of the war on those women soldiers when they returned home. The stories narrated by Holmstead provide a picture of a war where the enemy is frequently unseen and tragically can strike both barely a moment notice. Homestead subjects are career soldiers who had no illusion about the immediate danger they would face in an active war zone. When the enemy can be seen too often, the enemy is a teenager or even a child. For example, Army Sergeant Strike Blackburn was the only female in a group of 40 who regularly traveled in the convoy between the Tikrit and Ramadi. She ultimately went on over 200 convoys during her period of active service in Iraq. She experienced IED attacks on 20 of them. On one particular occasion, when Blackburn found himself facing the enemy, she was surprised to see a young boy who appeared to be about 7 years old and was firing at her convoy from an overpass. First she froze, then she intentionally shot over his shoulder. The author explained that women returning from Iraq keep quiet and do their job until someone else turns the spotlight on them. In The Girl Come Marching Home, according to the author, in the early 2019 statistics, approximately 190,000 women have served in a military aspect in Iraq and Afghanistan since 2001. Holmstead provides real accounts of life on the ground through the story of these women by telling the reader about the call to service that they felt and the honor with which they served. And she suggests that, contrary to the cultural assumptions about the role of women in the military, gender is merely an afterthought on the battlefield. Thank you.